Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today is a very exciting day. I finally got my Macy's beauty box. I have been waiting for this one since May, April, something like that. Macy's said they were gonna do this box and then COVID hit and they were like, nope, we're not gonna do it. So it got delayed. They went on a hiatus. They're finally back. October is their first month. You can't get this box, unfortunately, anymore. But I have loved every Macy's beauty box that I've ever gotten. So if you're interested in this, I would say go for it. I find that for $15, it's a really good value. If you haven't already subscribed, please do think about hitting that subscribe button and don't forget to like and comment as well. The reason I am so excited about this month is because it is a Joe Malone, and I have not smelled or tested anything from Joe Malone. It's something I've really wanted to for quite a while. So you have your little booklet. It tells you everything that's in it. I'm not going to try to lift it up because there's like a candle that I can see rolling around. So we're going to start with that. So this is the Nectarine Blossom and Honey candle. And this does give prices in your little booklet as well. So this candle, the full-size candle, would be $69. Oh, that smells so good. It's really light. It does have kind of a nectarine, like droopy scent to it, but it's tempered with that honey. It's just really nice and sweet. I think this is one that I would be interested in getting a scent of to wear because this is just really good. I really like that. So that was the first item. The rest of the items I believe are in this pink paper, and then there's this little guy. The little bag this month is really little. We've never gotten one quite this small before. It does say Joe Malone London on the zipper pull. And inside it's just lined black. It's kind of cheap feeling on the inside, but it is a cute little one, and I think you could probably put all of the items in there. I mean, I haven't opened them all, but maybe you can. The other really nice thing about the Macy's Beauty Box is that you always get a $5 or a $10 coupon that you can use. And the nice thing about this is that you can use it once online, the code that's here, but you can also take it in store and scan it. So you can kind of double dip with this coupon, which I have been known to do, especially if there's like a $10 coupon. We'll stick with this one side because it tells me the prices on this. So this is the Lime Basil and Mandarin Body and Hand Wash. This retails for $44. That's an expensive body wash or hand wash. I don't usually spend that much. I still find like Bath & Body Works kind of expensive sometimes. The glue came undone. That's supposed to keep the little seal in the cap, which is not the best. That's an interesting smell. It's not sweet. I was expecting it to be a little bit sweeter, a little bit more on the citrus side, but I definitely get that basil really strong in there. I don't know if I really like this one. Guerlain has a mandarin that I really like, the Mandarin Basilic, and then also Pacifica, no, not Pacifica. Atelier has Pacific Lime, and I think I like those ones better for citrus, but I will be happy to use that. These are all going to be on sample Saturdays eventually. Then we have this guy. This is a Wood Sage and Sea Salt Body Cream. This retails for $86 full size. None of these are full size, obviously. Oh. That is not what I was expecting at all. I was thinking the sage was going to be really overpowering. Sage gives me a lot of allergies, but this smells really nice. It's just really light and kind of clean. I think that sea salt really helps. I like that. That one I'm going to be really excited to actually put on and use. I'm probably going to use it more as a hand cream than a body cream just because it's so tiny. I want to make it last a little longer because this would probably be like 1, maybe 2 body applications. Let's look at this guy next. This is the Blackberry and Bay Cologne, and that's what it looks like. This, well, it says it retails for $142, so this is a pretty small sample, just kind of your average size tester. Ooh. Okay. I'm not sure what I think about this one. It's kind of sweet. Like I get that berry in there and that's nice. But I'm not sure if I like the bay part of it. Let's see. It kind of smells like blackberries. I mean, I had blackberry bushes. My grandpa had them. And I remember picking blackberries as a child, well, all through college. I'm not sure if I like that one. That one's one I'm going to have to play with on the skin. Not really quite sure yet. All right, and then we have these two larger samples. These are both 1/3 of an ounce, so 0.3 ounce. And we have Peony and Blush Suede. And the other one is English Pear and Freesia. Oh, okay. And they are sprayers, which is kind of nice. Let's see, I'm gonna spray one on this so that I get a kind of an idea of them. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. This is the Peony and Blush Suede. This also retails for $142. It's a floral blend. It's a classically feminine, notes of red, apple, and jasmine. That's what it is. I get that apple and that jasmine in there. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So far, this is my favorite. I mean, I've liked some of the other ones, but man, really like this one. I'm so excited that I'm finally getting to try Jo Malone because I've wanted to try for a couple years, but nobody around where I live sells Jo Malone in store, and it's kind of expensive to do a blind buy on. I mean, I could return it, but I really hate doing returns because I know a lot of the times they just get trashed, and that always makes me sad. I don't want to create more waste. All right, my last one is English Pear and Freesia. We're going to spray it on the tissue just because I've run out of papers. Okay, I kind of like this one. This is another one I want to wear on the skin. So this is supposed to be Essence of Fall, reminiscing about cooler days. Amber or patchouli. That could be it. Could be the patchouli. I'm not really sure. I haven't decided what I really feel about patchouli or not. Overall, I am thrilled with this. Like, I know that this is a really good value for the box because all of this stuff is really expensive. And even if you get some of these samples, like I think they had a sample set at Nordstrom for their anniversary sale, and these were still like $40. They were quite expensive, and I was like, man, I want to, but then I knew this was supposed to be coming out, so I was kind of waiting. But I'm really glad to have sampled them, and I think for $15, this is a great deal because you did get, you know, 0.3 ounce fragrances, you got the sample size fragrance, you got this candle. I still really like this candle. It's just really, it kind of reminds me of Country Apple from Bath & Body Works, but without the apple, like the base notes of it. Then you also got the lotion and the body lotion, the body wash. These, I mean, these are kind of dinky sized, but they're still, I think this was a great value. Did you get this box? What were your thoughts on it? What are your thoughts on Jo Malone? Do you like them? Do you think it's a good company? What is your favorite scent from Jo Malone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.